From the sun-drenched shores of tropical islands to the rugged coastlines of distant continents, our planet is adorned with beaches of breathtaking beauty. Exploring these sandy havens offers a glimpse into nature's unparalleled artistry and the sheer diversity of our world. These ribbons of golden sand, lapped by azure waters, provide sanctuary for a myriad of creatures, from tiny crabs scuttling across the shoreline to majestic seabirds soaring overhead. Each beach has its own unique character, shaped by the relentless forces of wind, waves, and time. Join us now as we embark on a journey to discover some of the most captivating beaches on Earth. From secluded coves to iconic stretches of coastline, we'll uncover the secrets that make these destinations so alluring. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer splendor and tranquility of these coastal wonderlands. Our journey begins in the heart of the Caribbean, on the island of St. John in the US Virgin Islands. Here, nestled amidst lush greenery, lies Trunk Bay, a beach renowned for its pristine beauty and crystal-clear waters. The bay's soft white sands are a testament to the delicate balance of nature, formed over millennia from the erosion of coral reefs and shells. As sunlight dances upon the turquoise waters, the seabed comes alive with vibrant coral gardens teeming with colorful fish. Snorkelers and divers flock to Trunk Bay to witness this underwater spectacle firsthand, gliding through schools of sergeant majors, parrotfish, and angelfish. The bay is also home to a marked underwater trail, providing a fascinating glimpse into the diverse marine life that calls this place home. Whether relaxing on the powdery sand, exploring the underwater realm, or simply soaking up the sun's warm embrace, Trunk Bay offers an unforgettable Caribbean experience. We journey now to the heart of the Mediterranean Sea, to the island of Sardinia, Italy. Here, nestled along the rugged coastline of the Golfo di Orosai, lies Cala Mariolu, a secluded cove renowned for its breathtaking beauty and crystal-clear waters. Accessible only by boat or a challenging hike, Cala Mariolu rewards adventurous travelers with a glimpse of unspoiled paradise. Towering limestone cliffs, sculpted by centuries of wind and waves, frame the cove, creating a sense of dramatic isolation. The beach itself is a pristine expanse of smooth, white pebbles, contrasting beautifully with the turquoise and emerald hues of the water. The clarity of the sea is astounding, allowing swimmers and snorkelers to observe marine life with remarkable detail. Cala Mariolu is a testament to the enduring power of nature, a place where time seems to stand still. Its secluded beauty and tranquil atmosphere offer a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. And now we journey to the heart of the Caribbean, to the enchanting shores of Grace Bay Beach. Located in the Turks and Caicos Islands, this beach is renowned for its pristine beauty and serene atmosphere. As we approach from the air, the turquoise waters shimmer and sparkle, revealing the soft white sands that stretch for miles along the coastline. The clarity of the water here is astonishing, allowing us to glimpse the vibrant coral reefs, teeming with marine life just below the surface. Grace Bay Beach is a haven for relaxation and tranquility. Visitors can stroll along the shore, feeling the soft, powdery sand between their toes, or simply bask in the warm Caribbean sun. The gentle sea breeze carries the scent of salt air and tropical flowers, creating an intoxicating sensory experience. Our next destination takes us to the Indian Ocean, to the Seychelles archipelago, where we find the breathtaking Anse Source d'Argent. This beach is a true testament to the power of nature, with its dramatic granite boulders sculpted by centuries of wind and waves. The boulders, some as large as houses, are scattered along the shoreline, creating a series of secluded coves and inlets. The contrast between the pink granite, the lush green vegetation, and the crystal-clear turquoise waters is simply mesmerizing. Anse Source d'Argent is not just a feast for the eyes, it is also a haven for marine life. The shallow, protected waters provide a sanctuary for a variety of fish, rays, and even the occasional sea turtle. Snorkeling and diving here are an unforgettable experience, allowing one to witness the vibrant underwater world up close. Our journey now takes us to the shores of Brazil, to a secluded paradise known as Baía do Sancho. Nestled within the Fernando de Noronha archipelago, this beach is a testament to the unspoiled beauty of the natural world. Accessible only by boat or by carefully navigating a series of steep ladders and steps carved into the cliff face, Baía do Sancho remains a hidden gem, largely untouched by mass tourism. The effort required to reach this secluded haven is well worth it, as visitors are rewarded with breathtaking views and an unparalleled sense of tranquility. The emerald green waters of Baía do Sancho are teeming with marine life, making it a paradise for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. Schools of colourful fish dart amongst the coral reefs, while sea turtles glide gracefully through the clear waters. The cliffs that surround the bay are home to a variety of seabirds, their calls echoing across the water, adding to the symphony of nature. Our journey now takes us to the Greek island of Crete, home to Elafonissi beach, a place of remarkable beauty and unusual geology. The sands here possess a unique characteristic, a blush of pink that sets it apart from the countless other beaches that dot the Mediterranean coastline. This delicate hue is not the result of some trick of the light, but rather the presence of microscopic organisms known as foraminifera. Their shells, tinged with a rosy pigment, mingle with the white sand, creating the illusion of a pink-hued shore, particularly striking in the shallows, where the sunlight illuminates the seabed. Elafonissi's allure extends beyond its colourful sands. The waters here are crystal clear, shallow and inviting, perfect for wading or simply basking in the warm Mediterranean sun. Offshore, a lagoon teeming with life provides a haven for various species of fish and birds, adding to the rich tapestry of this coastal haven. We journey now to the heart of the Caribbean, to the Cayman Islands, where we find 7 Mile Beach, a stretch of coastline renowned for its pristine beauty. Despite its name, this idyllic beach actually measures closer to 6 miles, but no matter, for its splendor is undeniable. Here, the fine, white coral sand stretches as far as the eye can see, a soft carpet bordering the azure waters of the Caribbean Sea. Casuarina trees, their branches swaying gently in the tropical breeze, provide welcome shade for those seeking respite from the sun's warm embrace. The waters off 7 Mile Beach are renowned for their clarity and tranquility. Beneath the surface lies a vibrant coral reef system, home to a dazzling array of marine life. Snorkelers and divers alike are drawn to these underwater gardens, eager to witness the kaleidoscope of colors and the abundance of creatures that call this reef home. But 7 Mile Beach is more than just a natural wonder. It's also a hub of activity, a place where visitors and locals alike come to relax, to play, and to soak up the unique atmosphere of this Caribbean paradise. Our quest for the world's most breathtaking beaches takes us to Tasmania, a land of rugged beauty and untamed wilderness. Nestled within Freycinet National Park lies Wineglass Bay, a secluded cove hailed as one of Australia's most stunning treasures. Reaching it requires a scenic hike through eucalyptus forests. The view from the lookout point is breathtaking. The bay's perfect crescent of white sand stretches out before you. The crystal-clear turquoise waters are ideal for swimming and snorkeling. Here on the Pacific coast of Costa Rica, we find a beach that embodies the very essence of this vibrant country. Playa Manuel Antonio, where the rainforest meets pristine sands, a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life, a haven of tranquility. The air is alive with rainforest sounds. Warm Pacific waters invite visitors. Spot iconic rainforest inhabitants. Playful capuchin monkeys swing through trees. Sloths cling lazily to branches. Nature reigns supreme here, a reminder of the importance of conservation. Within Manuel Antonio National Park, this habitat is safeguarded for future generations. Our journey takes us to the turquoise waters of Indonesia, a vast archipelago of over 17,000 islands. Here lies Ora Beach, a secluded paradise. Imagine waking to the gentle lapping of waves. The waters here are crystal clear, teeming with colourful coral reefs. Schools of vibrantly coloured fish dart amongst the coral. Graceful sea turtles glide effortlessly through the water. The surrounding hills offer ample opportunity for exploration. This is a place where adventure and relaxation go hand in hand. From the tranquil shores of Aura Beach, we journey to Copacabana Beach, where life pulses with energy. A legendary stretch of sand, it's a stage for volleyball, samba, and laughter. As the sun sets over Sugarloaf Mountain, the beach transforms alive with music and nightlife. Steeped in history, its iconic promenade echoes a bygone era. Copacabana Beach, where the rhythm of life never stops. From the azure waters of the Atlantic, we journey to the Canary Islands and to Fuerteventura, an island sculpted by volcanic forces and swept by the trade winds. Here on the southeastern coast lies Sotavento Beach, a remarkable testament to the raw power of nature. Stretching for miles, Sotavento is a canvas of golden sand, as fine and soft as powdered sugar. The relentless winds, while a force to be reckoned with, have shaped this landscape into a haven for windsurfers and kiteboarders who come from all corners of the globe to dance with the elements. But Sotavento is not just a playground for thrill seekers. The sheer scale of the beach, the ever-changing patterns etched by the wind on the sand, and the raw, untamed beauty of the surrounding landscape create a sense of awe and wonder. It's a place to feel truly insignificant, yet strangely connected to the powerful forces that have shaped our planet. Our journey now takes us to the Algarve region of Portugal, a land of dramatic coastlines, hidden coves, and picturesque fishing villages. Here, nestled amongst towering limestone cliffs, lies Praia de Marinha, a beach often hailed as one of Portugal's most beautiful. The approach to Marinha is an experience in itself. The cliffs, sculpted by centuries of erosion, rise majestically from the turquoise waters, their golden faces punctuated by verdant vegetation. Caves, carved by the relentless waves, hint at hidden wonders, inviting exploration. And as you descend onto the beach itself, you're greeted by a scene of remarkable beauty. The sand, fine and golden, stretches before you, framed on either side by towering cliffs. The waters, sheltered from the open ocean, are calm and inviting, perfect for swimming or simply basking in the sun's warmth. But it's the intricate details that truly captivate. The rock formations carved into arches, stacks, and grottos tell a silent story of time and tide. The clear waters reveal a vibrant underwater world, teeming with marine life. Praia de Marinha is a testament to the artistry of nature, a place where beauty is found not just in the grand vista, but also in the smallest detail. And now we journey to the southern coast of Western Australia, where Cape Le Grand National Park meets the Southern Ocean. Nestled amidst granite peaks lies Lucky Bay. Its unique residents, western grey kangaroos, set this beach apart. They often graze near the water's edge. Unafraid of humans, they add a surreal charm. This makes Lucky Bay an unforgettable destination. Our final destination takes us to the turquoise waters of the Ionian Sea, where the Greek island of Zakynthos holds a secret cove of breathtaking beauty. Hidden within towering limestone cliffs, Navaggio Beach, also known as Shipwreck Beach, captivates all who set eyes upon its secluded shores. Accessible only by boat, Navaggio Beach is a haven of tranquility and dramatic scenery. Its pure white sands are lapped by waters of the most extraordinary color, a dazzling spectacle created by sunlight reflecting off the limestone seabed. But dominating this idyllic scene is the wreck from which the beach takes its name. The rusted remains of the MV Panayotis, a freightliner rumored to have been smuggling contraband, lie beached on the sands. Its skeletal frame, slowly succumbing to the elements, adds an air of mystery and intrigue to this already captivating location. The shipwreck has become an integral part of the beach's identity, its weathered hull a constant reminder of the power of the sea. Navaggio Beach is a testament to the captivating beauty that can arise from unexpected circumstances. From the pristine sands of Trunk Bay to the shipwreck-strewn shores of Navaggio, our journey has taken us to some of the most breathtaking beaches on Earth. Each of these coastal havens possesses a unique character, a testament to the boundless creativity of nature. Whether shaped by the forces of wind and wave, adorned with lush vegetation, or frequented by unexpected wildlife, these beaches offer a glimpse into the diverse beauty of our planet's coastlines. They remind us of the importance of preserving these fragile ecosystems for generations to come. The allure of the beach with its promise of relaxation and escape is universal. These coastal havens offer respite from the pressures of modern life, a chance to reconnect with the natural world and appreciate its simple wonders. May the memory of these stunning beaches inspire us to protect and cherish our planet's irreplaceable treasures, for in safeguarding these natural wonders, we ensure that future generations can also experience the awe and wonder of our planet's most beautiful shores. And so we bid farewell to these coastal paradises, carrying with us the memories of their beauty and the importance of their preservation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to support our channel. Peace and love to all.